Alright, let's go Wessex Blades in England. Say cheerio at the end of this week here to the Mantis. I'm just going to put it through a few little tasks. I'm far too busy to get out today, so I'm going to do it all in the garage. Shame, but that's what we got on at the moment. So it's an 01 tool still, and it's a half convex grind, so you can see that the grind starts halfway up. I suppose you call it a spear point, and there's finger holds all the way, so you get good solid grip, no jimping. Wispy dispy. Okay, so it's pretty good. And I found a piece of ash that I thinned out. I'm guessing it's sort of, what, May now, 2 years ago it's been in the garden, hardening up. If I you know, it doesn't take long, and despite the fact it's smaller than a mini brush law, you get your hand literally like that. You could put a power grip if you wanted, do a chest lever grip. That wood is real hard, starting to sport in the middle as well. Good enough, and control is pretty good. So that's a Mantis. That's on its way to James. Sort of mini utility blade, really. But the fact that the handle is stout means you can, it's not one of those skeletal little ones like some those mini survival blades are all skeletonized, Doug Ritter sort of thing. It's a bit bigger than that. I'm quite happy with that. And the sheath, leather, got my mark on it. Dangler, that's in there, and I popped a mini fire still on as well. So that's on its way. James, if you send your address or sort it all out, I'll try and get away next weekend. Let's go from Wessex Blades and the Mantis. See you on the next one.